Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and it says when they cut it out, it cuts it out twice like there's double lines. So if we left click no fill, I've got to select the object first. Left click no fill, right click red and make everything a hairline. He said, I've looked at it close and you can't see the double lines. Well, you can't see double lines if they're on top of each other. So let's do this. Let's back up here and let's make a duplicate of this and move it over. And then let's take a yellow box, left click, object, order, front of page, or back of page. I do this to every file that anybody ever sends me or I look at them to see the white background. And that's the problem. The white fill, if we go to object and group and ungroup all, if we look, there are 60 objects. The white, which is RGB that won't engrave, but look, it's got an outline around it. So now we have 59 objects. So what we want to do with that white selected, go to edit, find and replace. We've got it selected from selection, find all, and delete. It actually took them out of both of them. Now I only have a curve on one layer. Let's go to object, break the curve. Well, we don't want to do that. But I was going to just show the difference. So let me back up here. Tell you what, I'm going to Control C to copy that, and I'm going to delete that. Then I'm going to, from selection, find all, and delete that. I'm going to paste this other one back in like it was. Then I'm just going to take away the fill and add an outline. So on this one, I'm going to take away the fill and add an outline. One curve, 60 objects. So if we go to object, group, and ungroup all, and we go to this one that looks like it's not two lines, and if we move one of the nodes, there's a second set of lines covering that up. So with this one that we removed the white, and we're going to go object, group, and well, let's just break the curve apart now that there's no black. Take the shape tool. See that now there's only one line. So those white objects had an outline around them. That should save the day. A couple of things, this clip art, you might want to take and double click and add a node, move it up there, take these two away, and just looking at it, these nodes are really close together. Look at that. Two things you can do, you can grab the shape tool and select that and delete it. Whoop. So you can't do it that time. Just take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. There's a couple of those, like right there, delete. There's another one right here. And that's going to show up when you cut. I mean, look at this one. This one's not even attached. And this one, we could use the shape tool, select those nodes and just delete them. So just go around, there's another one. Just kind of go around all of them because that's going to show up when you cut it out, because those little pieces are going to cut out. And there's another, what that is the clip art was in a box. Whoop. And I'm going to double click and add a node. And then I'm just going to take these 2 nodes away. And you can put a little curve to it. So the clip art was in a box, and when it traced it, it traced that square. See, there's like a rough spot. Take out a couple of nodes. Not going to hurt anything. It's going to make a cleaner cut. And what I do sometimes is I'll take my pan tool and I'll just pan around. You know, because you could zoom in to a bigger zoom, then go to your pan tool and just move them around, go all the way around the edges, looking for those bad spots. I kind of like it that the circles aren't circles. Some of them are bigger or better circles than that. You know, that doesn't bug you. You know, it's a flower, it's Mother Nature, so who knows what it's supposed to look like. But anyway, that'll cut out one time. This will cut out. And I can see it. That red is redder than that red. It's just hard. I mean, I don't see, further away, look at that. It's redder than the other one. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.